Okay, so if you guys have done any sort of camping, you will know that bugs are part of the camping experience. And when you are camping for an extended period of time, you need to have some kind of screens protection for the bugs. So you'll see on our windows, we do have screens. And one of the neat things about these screens is that they are removable because of how we designed them. We designed them like so. We made them ourselves just from sheets of screen like this. We have black duct tape folded over the edge, and we have magnets inside, you know, from here to here all the way around, magnets holding them. So that way when we get to where we want to go, if we're only going to be here for a short time, we can stick them on the inside and stick them to the metal frames of the bus windows like so. If we're going to be parked someplace for a couple of days, we'll actually fasten them to the outside of the bus. It's not perfect because we do have this gap along the bottom. There's no way that that's going to stick to the aluminum of the window itself. So sometimes bugs can come up, but it does help a huge amount. That we can have the lights on and the windows open at night. If we're boondocking, the curtains can be open, and we don't have to worry about bugs. We also did this for the ceiling. Also, we got square ones. Another perk of having the original metal ceiling is that our screen just fits like so over the hatches, and we can keep them open, keep those bugs from coming in. We also have a small screen that we can put on the bus window. The driver's window is a little bit different, and it really wasn't too hard to make. So if you're thinking like, oh man, I've got a Skoolie and I need something that's simple and a temporary window screen, because be honest, when you're traveling because you want to see the countryside, and you don't want that perfect picture to be marred by a screen all the time. And so that's why we wanted definitely to have a temporary thing. But just a piece of duct tape on the screen, cut to size, and then you want to iron it to make sure that the duct tape sticks together. The heat from the iron really helps that stick to just adhere much more securely than just folding over a piece of duct tape. So I hope that this little window screen information is helpful to you if you also have a Skoolie and looking to help to keep those bugs at bay. If you liked the video, if it was helpful to you, please like and subscribe below, and we'll see you next time.